Hello and welcome back to the channel. I've got a really interesting yet amusing problem. We have 3 cats at home. We have 4 litter trays in the garage where they go to the toilet. And even with 4 litter trays and they're cleaned daily, one of them still manages to poop on the floor. And it's really annoying. It maybe happens about 2 or 3 times a week. And I want to see which cat is doing it. And yeah, I'm going to use my Tapo security camera. This is usually mounted in my garage in one corner, just to monitor the door coming in and up and down. And I'm going to put it in a place, one corner of the garage, so they can monitor the cats. But I've already used the cord and it's all nicely cable tied in the corner. I don't want to have to cut cable ties and get it out just to plug this down on the ground. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a DIY version, and because it has a DC plug there and it takes 9 volts, we're going to do it the DIY way. I've got this little USB boost converter, so it can take 5 volts of input and output up to 24. So I will walk you through this process on how I do it, and we're going to power it from my little power bank there by USB, or I could even use a USB power bank, but this has got a lot more juice in it to last all night to figure out who is doing the poop on the floor. Okay, what we're going to do first is make sure that we are set to 9 volts. If you see, that's at 12.2. So I'm going to wind back the potentiometer to 9 volts. Maybe 9 and a bit, just in case there's a bit of sag. So that'll do, 9.07. And I've got some really just cheap hookup cable. I think it's like 20 or 22 gauge. And they're going to go on the back of these terminals. But I'm going to make it a little bit neater because I'll probably be using this test cable a lot. So I will crimp some ferrules onto it. Just make it easy to put into the back of the terminals. So we'll crimp these. Now on the adapter, which I haven't brought it out here, I had a look, it's 9 volts as I said, and the middle pin is the positive, which is pretty normal, pretty standard. And here we've got a DC barrel jack plug, 5521, pretty standard, goes in like that. And these are excellent because all you need to do is just plug your wires in there and screw them up. Easy, quick connects. Alright, so we plug it in there, and if I plug it in here, we should start seeing this camera initialize itself. Yep, the red lights are on. Connecting to Wi-Fi, there we go. It's doing the full check to see that it's not blocked or anything. And it's working. Alright, so now I'm going to take you out into the garage and with our power station and set it up, ready to capture the cat doing the number 2.
Moments later.
Okay, here we are, power station, 9 volts. The power station is 13.3 volts. There is the camera, bundle of cables, and sorry for this, there's the mess. And as you can see, we've got 4 litter boxes, 3 cats. So we're going to find out who this is. I think I just want to know which cat's doing it. And yeah, then we'll figure out why, and I'll show you some footage of the cat doing it in action.
The next morning.